tool, my favorite tool. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to use, and there's actually no dust whatsoever. A little tip when you're getting it started, put the end in like this, start it, and then plunge down, and then plunge into it, and then start going. You know where to stop, the blade ends there, so you just stop on this point here. I always look at that. So we're just going to be cutting from here right to the end there, and you'll see how quick and easy it is. Using a saw, because you can risk cutting cables, because cables normally sit and hang on here. Definitely there's a cable around here, so you don't have to worry about that. We just cut this, we just pulled these sheets down, and this is exactly why you should have the right tool for this job. It's because if I used a saw, and what a lot of people do, they cut it, and even if they're careful, they only go past a little bit. Well, right here, doesn't matter if we went that way or that way, you've got a cable right here. And that's bad. That can lead to problems. If you don't know you cut it, it's dangerous. If you cut it and you don't repair it. So you can see we run our blade straight over and it didn't nick it whatsoever. It's perfect. Doesn't even touch it. I can even do a quick demo. Nothing going through. That's why we use it. Super safe. No more nicking wires or anything like that. Great tool. Great tool.